Doing an oil change on a Kawasaki ZX6R. It's a 636 and this is a 2005. We're going to put the bike up on a rear stand, and this is going to help keep everything centered. Give us a little extra clearance off the ground. Go ahead and start the bike. We're going to run the bike until it's 200 degrees. At this point we can take off the fairings. There's several 4mm bolts. They're hex heads on either side. There should be 3 on the right side, 1 in the back, and 3 on the left side, also 1 in the back. This bike was missing a couple. Alright, finishing up with the bolts, we're going to go ahead and pull the fairing down and set that aside. Here we are at 200 degrees. Let's cut it. Alright, so we ran it to warm it up a little bit. It gets the oil flowing and everything's lubricated through. We're up on the stand so it's level, and now we're gonna come down and put our oil pan underneath. There's a drain plug right here, and our oil filter is right here. So we're going to start to take both of those off. Go ahead and take off the drain plug with a socket wrench. Careful, it could be tight. Watch out you don't bust your knuckles. You might want to wear gloves for this whole operation. If you have the correct filter wrench, that's wonderful. We took the smallest auto filter wrench that we could get and put some cardboard in there to take up the extra slack. This might work for you. Some people even jab a screwdriver in there and just let it work like a lever. But using the right tool is best, and we did the best we could. Go ahead and let the filter oil drain out. You can let that run until it's just a couple of drips. You'll put a new washer on the drain plug, cleaning that surface so there's no grit on there, and snug it down. You're going to want to think monkey tight, not gorilla tight. For your new filter, you're going to want to lubricate the seal with some fresh of the clean oil, and this is going to help it go on smoothly. You can do the threads too. Again, make sure that connection to the engine is clean of grit. You don't want to have any of that causing any leaks. We're going to put this on hand snug, and then you can use your wrench to go an extra quarter turn or so around. You don't need to over tighten this stuff. Next to the sight glass is a sticker showing your capacities. We ran this completely dry, so we're going to use 4 liters of oil. This is Motul, it's 1040. It's a really nice racing oil. It's super synthetic and it's great for your bike. Go ahead and fill that up. This takes a really long time to pour out without dripping, so I sped it up for you. You're welcome. I sped it up a lot. It's still going. Done. Go ahead and start it up. We're going to check for leaks down below now that we have some circulation. Oil pressure is going through here. Nothing. That's great. Check your sight glass. Look at that. The oil has settled down to the point in the middle. That's because we did 4 liters. You're going to put your dirty oil back in the same jug, and you're going to return it to your automotive or motorcycle shop that you bought it from for recycling. Your trash company might take it as well. Button everything back up, nice and snug. These are going into rubber grommets. It's not like something you can like bottom out. If you do keep tightening it, we'll just strip the rubber. Again, think monkey tight, not gorilla tight. Cleanup time. Wash your hands up with Go Joe or Fast Orange. Both are great. Please like, subscribe, and share. If this video is good for you, check out my channel. Maybe there's something else for you. Hey, have a great day.